Symptoms of bad wheel bearing. 1. Humming or whining sound at high speeds. When the wheel bearing starts to fail, you will hear a rumbling or humming noise, especially at high speeds. The sound increases as the vehicle's speed increases. 2. A clicking noise when you take off. If you hear a clicking or clunking noise when you engage the gear and take off, it's a possibility that the wheel bearing is worn out completely. 3. Vehicle moving to one side or poor handling. This happens when the wheel bearing wears out excessively and becomes too loose, causing the wheel to wander in all directions, which makes the vehicle unstable. 4. Excessive tire wear. As said before, with worn and loose bearing, wheel alignment gets disturbed, which puts too much stress on the tire. This results in excessive tire wear. 5. Steering vibration at high speeds. With a bad, worn and loose wheel bearing, the wheel tends to wiggle and vibrate at higher vehicle speeds. This vibration can be felt at the steering wheel. There are other reasons for vibration in steering, like bad tires, grabbing brakes, etc. You might need a proper check to confirm the problem. 6. A BS light shows up randomly. This happens when the excessive vibration made by worn wheel bearing disturbs the ABS sensor's reception, and this triggers the ABS light on the dashboard. If you are experiencing any of the above symptoms, book a mechanic right away and get it resolved before it ends up in disaster.